Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you how to remove Google extensions from your computer. Please don't forget to like and comment and share my video. Let's start the video. First go to the Google Chrome and click on this icon and go to the more tools and go to extensions. Then now you can see the extensions what you has installed to your computer. From click on remove you can remove the extensions from your computer or uninstall. Now also click on this icon and go to the settings and click on extensions. Now also you can see the extensions what you has installed to your computer. As previous, click on the remove, you can uninstall or remove the extensions. Thank you.